Good morning, students. Today I am going to show how to use Google Chromebook in your class. Okay, so let me explain first. So this is the mouse pointer that I am moving. This is the desktop. Okay, wallpaper it is there, and this is the launcher. These are all apps are there. Different apps are there, and here you will find the date and time. And now time is the Thursday, July 7, 2022. When I'm recording this video, the time is now 4:37, and this is the charging batteries. Here 99% is there, so you can use this tab up to the 10 hours. Here 10 hours 52 minutes left is showing, and this is the Wi-Fi connection. Okay, and this signal also it is showing, and this notification is there. Okay, and coming to this settings and docs, files, and the Google Calendar and Google Mail, Gmail shortcut, and Google Chrome. So just first go to the here, and this one is the launcher. Okay, so mostly you will use this one. Just if you take this and if you click, tooltip will be there. It is showing launcher. So if you click on, you will find all the apps. It will depend upon the installed app settings apps. Not all apps will be find in your Chromebook, depending on your downloaded app. And first I will show you Google Drive. So this part is very important part of you. Now for this, and you click on here, new. Here you can create the Google Docs. It is similar to Microsoft Word, Google Sheet. It is similar to Microsoft Excel, Google Slide, and it is similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. And this, you know that during COVID-19 we used to use the conduct the online exams, and this is the Google Forms. Okay, now in this video I'm going to discuss these three one for your class. Then first you open this Google Docs, and this is similar to Microsoft Word. Okay, so how to type, how to save, we will discuss in the next class or next video. Just I will show have an idea. Just if you want to rename this, sorry, click here. You put the name as demo class. Here you can type the names also. Okay. Today I learn like this. You can type. So next we will move to the next one. Again go to the plus. Then go to the Google Sheet, as it is similar to the Microsoft Excel. So here you can enter the marks. So you will get the report card like this. Next. So we will discuss in the next video how to use spreadsheet also, how to use Microsoft Word also. Moving on to the this one Google Slide. So it is used to create the slides presentation because the Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can type here also. I write demo class. Okay, so this is regarding the introduction of the Google Drive. Next, next is the how to save the images in Google Chrome. No, click the button. So I am typing here artificial intelligence. So go to the image section. And so you take Alt and right click on your touchpad. So this is important. Once again, I'm telling you, press on the Alt key and touch on touchpad. You press the right with your finger. It will come. Again, I'm telling that Alt key and right click. Okay, save image as. Now here you have to create your own folder. So for this, go to here, click the three dots, and here click the folder. Suppose your name is Ashok. Save, rename. Sorry, select this. You press the Alt and right click on the mouse. Use the index finger. You will get the rename or Control Enter. Control Enter. Shortcuts will be there.